Hello, I'm Tasha and welcome to QB Conservation, your lockdown lowdown on new ecology research. In this series, we challenged biologists at Queen's to tell us about exciting new research in just a few minutes. Hello and welcome to today's episode, where we'll be speaking to Nick about his collision risk models. Hi!
So I'm Nicholas Horn. I'm a PhD researcher at Queen's University, based down in Port Fairy at the Marine Lab. Seals in general are important in my research, but particularly the harbour seal, which is a protected species in the UK, and in several areas of the UK it's known to be declining.
Can you describe your seal modelling work?
My work consists of trying to build a collision risk model which will be used to predict how likely it is for animals like seals to collide with renewable energy devices under the water, so tidal energy devices.
So how do you intend to use this to protect seals?
In terms of seal protection, currently we have never witnessed a seal being collided with a tidal turbine, and at the moment there's not many devices in the water, but there's an issue with we're trying to increase our renewable energy, then the risk could be greater.
Are you feeling positive then that this could be a really good solution we could wheel out across lots of different sites and lots of different types of renewable energies to protect other animals apart from seals?
So yeah, I think this system really lends itself to being adapted to multiple species, different areas, and potentially as the development continues, it could even be moved to increase the quality of assessment for on land with wind turbines or offshore wind turbines as well. So it could move from underwater to above the water as well.
Thanks, Nick. That's fascinating.